Good morning and welcome to the Renters' Rights Bill, formerly known as the Renters' Reform Act. Let's go inside and find out more. So firstly, do not panic. Yes, Section 21, no fault evictions will be abolished, but we've not used a Section 21 notice in anger for the last 20 years. And you will still be able to use them to end your tenancy if you wish to move back into the property or indeed sell the property. So let's talk about timing. The government have said they want to get this bill through as soon as possible, but remember, it still has to pass through government and be approved by the House of Lords. But the government have advised they would like the bill to be passed by the first half of 2025 and definitely by the summer. So let's look at the main points. So there will be one stage, yes indeed one stage, as opposed to the previous two stages in the Renters Reform Bill. So on a given date, all tenancies will become periodic. Any fixed term tenancies will also revert to periodic, and any new tenancies from this date will become periodic. Tenants will have an initial 12-month protected period where a landlord cannot serve notice if they wish to sell or indeed move back into the property themselves. These notice periods will have a 4-month notice, so effectively you can serve this from month 8 of a tenancy agreement. Tenants, on the other hand, will have a rolling 2-month periodic tenancy. So can you as landlord still evict your tenant? Well, yes, you can under those two terms if you're looking to sell your property or indeed move back into the property, or there is a third term if you're going to majorly refurbish the property. Let's talk about rent reviews. So landlords can still increase the rent on their rental properties, but it's going to be once a year. And if the tenant feels the rent is excessive and above the market rent, this can be taken to tribunal. The rights for tenants to have a pet within their rental property will be increased, with the landlords not unreasonably able to refuse this request. However, you can ask that the tenants cover or take out pet insurance. The bill will ensure that the Better Home Standards is enforced across the private rental sector. This will ensure that tenants can live in a safe and enjoyable property. It also removes the rights to discriminate against tenants that are claiming housing benefit or indeed have children. The government have also decided to ban the so-called bidding wars that we've seen an awful lot of in southwest London. Agents and landlords will be encouraged to make sure the asking price of the rental property is very clear and to discourage any potential bidding wars. So in conclusion, I really do not think there's a need to panic for landlords in southwest London. The same rights for possession of your property will still apply if you're looking to sell, if you're looking to move back in, or indeed if you're looking to refurbish the property. This will be under a new style Section 8. Rent increases and rent reviews will still be allowed, and again, this will be done using a Section 13 notice. At Porter's Estate Agents, we are closely monitoring, even daily actually, the Renters' Rights Bill. So we will keep our landlords and clients up to date to make sure they are safe and compliant with all of the new laws. If you do have any questions, get in touch with one of the team members and we'll be more than happy to advise you further or answer any questions that you may have. Thank you for watching and keep watching the YouTube and Facebook channels for further updates.